To begin your handrail installation, first lay out and mark the desired height of the top of the handrail on all posts and mounting surfaces. If you're installing handrail to structural posts, sufficient blocking must be added at mounting locations to accept handrail mounting hardware. An additional centering extrusion may be purchased separately, or the post may be packed out with other material. Lay out and clamp your lineals into place. Make reference marks for your miter cuts on each lineal and at each attachment point. Once you've planned your placement, cut your lineals and predetermine joint angle. Dry fit for accuracy. Place a mark 3 7/8 inches below the handrail layout line on each post to establish placement of the handrail bracket mounting fastener. Attach your bracket using the preferred fastener for your mounting surface material, not included. If you're using a structural post, a drill and tap set will be required to attach the bracket to the interior steel post. Position the adjustable joiner on the outside of the handrail and tighten the bolt at the angle of your bend. Dry fit the assembly and adjust if necessary. Apply aluminum adhesive and insert the adjustable joiner to assemble the joint. Pre-drill the handrail lineal with a 13/64-inch drill bit and attach to the bracket using the provided fasteners. Repeat this for all your handrail brackets. Next, snap on the bracket fastener cover. Keep in mind that the cover is non-removable once it's installed. Lastly, add an end cap at each open end of each lineal. To install your cap, simply apply a dab of vinyl adhesive to the cap and insert into the end of the handrail. Position the handrail loop in your desired location. Dry fit the loop in place to make any necessary marks for cutting. After your loop is cut to length, attach it using either a straight or adjustable joiner. You've seen the adjustable joiner, so now we'll use a straight joiner. To install, simply apply aluminum adhesive and slide the joiner halfway into the lineal. At each straight joint of your install, a joint ring can be installed to conceal your cuts. Just slide the joint ring onto the lineal during assembly and add a dab of vinyl adhesive. Attach your handrail loop to the mounting surface using 2 handrail brackets, following the method we used earlier to install the lineals. Add an end cap to the end of the handrail loop. You've seen a common basic installation. Now we'll show you some optional additional components. Align the post return according to your marked handrail layout line and mark the holes for your attachment hardware. Pre-drill and attach your post return with 3 fasteners best suited for the material to which the post return is being mounted. Slide the trim cover onto post return, but do not snap into place. Insert the provided joiner into the post return and dry fit the lineal into place. Then disassemble. Add a joint ring if desired, apply aluminum adhesive, and reassemble. Align the tabs on the trim cover with the slots on the post return base and snap into place. Place a mark 2 3/4 inches below the handrail layout line to establish inside corner bracket placement. Align the top surface of the bracket with the mark and attach to the mounting surface using the preferred fasteners for your mounting material. Pre-drill if necessary. Clamp your handrail corner assembly to the inside corner bracket. Using a 13/64-inch bit, pre-drill and attach the bracket using the included screws. Snap the provided fastener covers onto the bracket. To use the straight return, once you've dry fit your lineal, determine the finished length and cut your lineal, slide the trim cover over the lineal. Apply aluminum adhesive and insert the straight return into the handrail lineal. Attach the assembly to the mounting surface using the preferred fasteners for your mounting surface. And snap on the trim cover by aligning the tabs on the trim cover with the slots on the straight return base. Dry fit the two handrail lineals to be joined, allowing extra length to allow for scribing and cutting. Place the corner in line with the lineals, then scribe and cut the lineals. Insert the included joiners into the corner. Dry fit the assembled corner, then make reference marks where the corner and lineals meet. Disassemble the corner. Apply aluminum adhesive to the inside of the corner and to the insides of the lineals. Reassemble the components using your reference marks as a guide. Clamp in place and allow to cure. Then, permanently attach the lineals to the mounting brackets as previously demonstrated.